This is one where I have some imaginary numbers in the bottom and I need to get rid of them. So in order to do that, you might just wind up multiplying by 2i on the bottom and the top, and that would get you the same answer eventually, but it's easier if we just multiply by I over I. And I can do that because I is, anything over itself is 1, including I, so they would cancel out and give me not something that would not change this fraction. For example, I could multiply the fraction by 5 over 5 and it wouldn't change it. Okay, so when I do that, that gives me, in the bottom I get a 2i squared. I'm going to distribute this into this thing. That gives me 4i, and then minus 3i squared. You should know that I squared gives us minus 1. That's because the square, or I is equal to the square root of minus 1, and if I square both sides, that's what I get. So this is going to be 4i minus 3 times negative 1 over 2 times negative 1, which is 4i plus 3 over minus 2. And then I'll just scooch. So that gives me, I'm going to change the order. I'm going to put the real part first. So that gives me 3 over 2 negative. And then, so I'm dividing the two parts in here. Like I'm going to do this over the negative 2 and then this over the negative 2. And then minus 4i over 2, which gives me a final answer of minus 3 over 2 minus 2i. And you could have them written the other way around, that's fine. But as long as the I terms and the real terms are separated out, that's cool.